In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the teenage filter on TikTok. So let's just dive straight into the video. Now, obviously the first thing we have to do is go and open up TikTok. Now, once you're here, you just want to go to the search icon and then you can go and search for teenage. And then it should come up as teenage filter. If it doesn't, you can just type in the full 2 words. So I'm just going to go tap on this one. Now, if it might come up automatically as an effect, so you can then just go and tap on that and start using the effect. However, if it doesn't, you can tap into a TikTok and then right here we have teenage look. So I can go and tap on that one and then go use this effect. And now I can go and record the teenage effect. Now the top screen will be of the teenage effect and this will just be your kind of normal face. And then you can just go and record. So that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.